Zhongmai Automatic Tray Loader is an automatic tray loading equipment suitable for rotary oven baking tray rack. It can be connected to the automatic plate arranging machine for the flow of automatic tray, servo computer control, automatic layering and arranging plate, high accuracy, intelligent computer touchscreen control panel. There are intuitive digital parameter settings, the rack full filling tips and alarms, etc. Automatically release the rack switch when the trolley is full, as well as the alarm reminder.